So, this garnish is called the apple fan, and it's actually one of my favourite. It is really simple, but it gives a wonderful flourish to our cocktails. And you start with an apple. I've already been using this apple for a few garnishes, and the colour of the apple really depends on the cocktail. So if you want some red, then go for a nice red apple, but you can also use a really bright green one as well. And I'm going to cut, not down the middle, but just offset a piece away from the apple, like so. Just cut that through there. So the idea of being offset from the middle is that I don't want any of the core of the apple in my garnish. So I'm just going to put that to the side. And then I'm going to take 3 relatively thin slices from it. So here we go. 1, 2, 3. That's good. Actually, let's put my knife there and remove that. So now what I have is these 3 pieces of apple. And I can fan these out in a fan shape, like so. And the beauty of the nature of the apple is that because of the dampness of the flesh, what happens, it will stick together. So if I just hold it like that, the whole thing will hold together as a fan. But what I want to do is I want to get it on the side of our glass. So I'm just going to make a very small incision in the bottom. So I'm just going to make a little cut, like so, and a little bit there. So we'll take this bit of apple out, just pick that out, like so. That's good. And then I'm going to pick up my fan and I'm going to tuck this on the side of the glass. So let's just make sure everything is aligned. I'm going to take my glass and I'm just going to pop it on the side, like so. And there's our apple fan. Easy.